Number 3, number 10, 19. Number 20 down. Five seconds. Court defense. Court defense. Number 21. Blue, number 1, using the ball. Thank you very much. Great ball. Now, pass to Luke Pittsburgh. That's number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Looking the ball. Yes, sir. That's the number 9. Number 9. Number 14, green team. Number 9, Felix. Number 10, Felix. Number 14, green team. The team to one. 24. 24, number 1. Super. Number 24. Adil, pastinya dengan ditumbang, ada begini, ada 14. Number 14. Agree. Well, agree. Let's say by
Madali na lang talaga siya.
Tayo na ba? Ano na? Ito ba? Nabasa namin ito ba? Number 30, moving the ball from the center. Number 24, wala ang mga bola. Number 9, Pinasa. Hotspot, number. Thank you, number 30. Number 3, number 3. And ball by number 3. Thank you, Tom, Rosa, number 10. Number 9. Number 29. Sevilla, Hello, pass number 8. Thirty. Number 9, still the ball. Number 9. Number 9, left. Number 14, is it the ball? Yeah. Number 21. Still there. Number 2. Number 8. Number 8 is the ball. Number 12. Number 8. 14. Tadi kita ni. Number 6, number 3. number 2. Number 14. Foul. Our score is 1-2. 2 minutes and 8 seconds in our first quarter. Number 14. First goal is going to be second shot. Block. The ball number 22. Five still. Yep. Present ball. 150. Number 3 is the ball. Number 21. Is the ball. Still by number 30. From the ball. Number 20. Number 9. Foul. Number 3. Number 3. Fourteen foul. Number 20. 73. Number 1. 20. Now we're going to go number 24. Hello. 4. 12. 1 point. Number 1. Wait a second. Wait the ball. This is the ball. Number 9. 15 seconds. Oh, here. Number 3, number 10 the ball. 5 seconds. 30. Good shot. 8. 5. 16.
Good.
number 9. Green ball. Number 24. Number 24 using the board. No good. Rebound by Vicky. Now. With number 3, number 12, AJ, number 12, number 12, 2, back to 10, very good, we got green team, that's the 14 is the board, the third. Number 20 to number 73. Number 9. Well, number 9, no good. Number 12, no good again. Rebound by number 3. Pass to break the board small. Correct. Number 20. Oops. Joel green ball. Five and 17. Number 12. Oh, still. Number 20. Last but last. Number 30. Number 30. 2 points by number 30. Two points. Sid. 30. 2 points. Number 3. Substitution. Number 13, number 24, rebound by number 9. Process and down by Garcia. Number 14. From the green team, number 14 all over. Rebound. Again. Jump ball. Great. Number 3. Nice. To Watts, number 3. Twenty. Sid. Green team. 30. To Watts, number 30. Still, USA. Number 30, all alone. Waiting. Same ball. Number 9.
Naku, si Daddy Romel. Ben, nakalimutan daw nila ba yung bola niya? Can you cross-check? Robert kasi
Number 9, one ball. Minus number 3. Number 14. Still number 3. 5. Number 10.
ganyan
26 seconds.
Ayan, sa kanina nila,
Number 30. Number 24. Yeah. 24. Noel, Rubico. Rewarding wala. Rebound number 30. Bananas. Noel from the Travis to 5. Number 21. 2 seconds. And that's it. Win the ball. Good play. Number 12. There we go. See, number 21. Number 3. Number 2. Big one. Number 20. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Wala. Iba number 6.
Total!
Wala. Number 3. 2 points. Number 2. Number 8. Half-court defense. Number 8. Drop it. Ang magandang laban. Steal. Number 20. Number 8. Number 8 is man and number 12. Step back.
Eugene!
Bukas ang bola. Number 8 man. Tubila. Ito rin. Number 3. Number 3. Going to the basket. Number 3. Seven and 30. Was the man. Uy, wala. Here we go. Number 12. Number 12. Nah, that's number 12 the ball. Number 12 again. Kumasawi. Kumasawi. Still. And number 14. Let's make it up. Number 8. Number 6. Number 8 more. Wala. Number 14. That's number 10. Wala. Okay, ball number 8 now. Number 8. Number 8. That's number 3. Blue ball, save the was a ball.
Message kasi.
Defense. DSA. Blue ball. Number 6, wala. Number 20, jump ball. Blue. Bob. Rebound number 12. Nice strip. Number 10. Two seconds. See number 8. Number 8. It is number 12. Vanessa. Number 10, number 20, number 12. To number 8, the jump shot. Rebound number 6. To number 20, number 5. it's all ball to number 12. Right after number 8, jump shot. Seven, seven. Number 3. That's 30. Jump shot. Now, number 6. That's number 2. 20. Number 8. Number 8, pumus over. Naiwan si number 24. Number 8, jump shot. Wala na din. Rebound number 3. Last break. Sabi. Ibani. 20. Jump ball naman number 9. That's number 2. Number 20.
Shoot!
Uy. Two points. Number 8. Tumakbo. Wala. Wala. Pinagot na yan. Number 14. Pinasa number 8. Yes, sir! Good day, 10 ang score. Number 10. Iba na pa. Say number 12. Number 12. Number 12. So number 8. Number 8 using the board. Yes. Yes. Number 12. 3 and 15. Foul. And number 8. Two shot. Number 50. Back is right. It's no good. Wala, rebound, number 8. Number 8. Number 8, that's number 12. Number 12, number 13. Wala, rebound, number 8. Number 9. Taga-diretso, number 9. Rebound by number 12. Oh, sayang. Number 30, was big. Still the number 18. Oh. What's that? Number 20. To number 8. Oops. Spin. To number 3. Moving the center. Number 3. To 30. To number 3. Full back. Number 3. 6 to 12. Number 8. Cover number 9. Pinasa number 12. Nice steal. Number 30. The ball. The ball. Rebound number 8. Number 12. One and turn to back. Number 8, Kosovan. Tumira, wala. 24. 24. And back in. Yes, sir. And number 24. 62-12. 1 minute on that. Number 8. Pinasa. Aga. 22. Number 13. Follow. Good job. Rebound by down. To number 24. Yes, number 24. Number 6. Speed. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Whoa! 5 seconds. Seven. Rebound by number 20. Out of bounds. Blue ball. Number 8. Number 8. To be at 3 points. Wala. Rebound. Number 14. Number 30. To number 10. Black. Number 12. Beautiful. 30. Oh! Good go. Yan. Hindi na. Break. Control. Well. Good. Rebound. Break. Attack. Today. Crosses the ball at number 10. Number 10. Double rebound. Green ball. Defense blue. Number 3. Address wala. 73. Number 10. Privilege. Number 3 foul.
Tawa din si ano. Kenzo. Tawa din si Kenzo eh.
Number 8, number 4, to number 12. Number 12. Rebound number 14. 6. Taas ng ball number 9. Number 9 pass to number 10. to number 9. Come on, ball. From 8. Pass to 12. Number 30. To 14. Number 8. Pass to number 12. Rebound by number 14. To cut. Here's the ball. Still by number 8. Number 10. Ang process ng pagkakaroon. Still number 3. Andy Asay. Alright, still number 2. Ang process. Number 12. Lahat ng pasahan. Steven. Number 10. Iwan again. Number 10 again. He's sure number 10. Number 10. That's great. To number 3. Number 3. Big. Number 21. That's number 30. Why number 30? 71-16. Number 8. Ball. Pass again. Pass to number 10. Shane. Number 10. Still number 14. Number 14. That's to number 30. What? Number 3. Rebound. Press up. Number 3. Side stepping move. Number 3. 73-16. Number 8. Number 8. Down. Number 3, Long shot. Substitution. Thinking. Number 5 One shot. Basket. One shot. Blue one. Seventy-six 16. Number 8. To number 10. Out of bounds. 5-16. Adding last quarter. Number 30. Number 4 to number 9. Number 9 to number 4. Number 2, number 3, number 8. Number 3, number 1. Substitution. Number 8. Nakaharas ng dalawa. Number 8. Steal. Number 2 points. Number 8. Nakaharas ng dalawa. Number 8. Una sa steal. Number 3-0. 2 points for number 30. Twenty-19. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 9, Rapong, tuloy na ng 3. Airball. Stop.
Get the ball!
3 minutes. Number 3, 21. 30. Moving out to the game, number 73. 73. 20. Jump ball. Green. Number 14, number 14. Number 8. Still, number 14. Foul, number 8. Foul. Stop. Number 14, first goes. Bringing out number 9, number 5, number 8, foul. Number 9, that's the number 20. Airball. Last 2 minutes. Number 30. 2 points. Number 30. Number 9, crossover, passer number 20. Left.
Ganun talaga.
20. Pass it down.
Oh!
86 Number 9, ball, number 9, yeah. way to the basket. No good. Shoot number 12. Number 9. 53 seconds left.
Daddy, saan shoes dito?
Number 20. 49 seconds.
Ano na diaper niya?
Number 2. Number 30. Number 6. 32 seconds. Nice shot, nice move.
Saan siya, Daddy?
32 seconds. Reserve, number 2. Number 9. Oh. Lose the ball.
Sulit na sulit.
21 seconds.
Ha?
Number 30. Okay.
Oh!
9 seconds. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 1. That's it. Our best player of the game is number 30 from the TSA. 30 and 24.